Alright, so starting out, I'm using the Be a Bombshell Nude palette, and I'm going in with this pink color a little bit above the crease, and I'm blending that up towards the eyebrow. Then I'm going in with this darker shade a little bit lower from where I left off with the pink, and I'm also going to blend that up, but not completely so I don't erase the pink. Then I'm going in with this champagne color for under the brow bone area. Then using the Cute AF ColourPop palette, I'm going in with this dark shade just to deepen the outer corners and the dark, and pretty much deepen all the darken areas. Then I'm going in with this dark orange shade just to pop some color in the crease and blend it out a little bit. And then after I cut my crease, I put on this gold shimmery shade, and I am just patting that on there, not spreading it around, just patting it so it's nice and dense. After you're done with your eyes, you want to make sure you clean up the fallout, and I like to sharpen the outer corners of the shadow. Then I'm going in with this Ben Nye foundation. I'm just using a regular foundation brush and going all over my face with that. And then for concealer, I'm using Tarte's Rainforest of the Sea concealer. I am doing that in the areas I want to have brightened, and then I blend it out with a dampened makeup sponge. For setting the concealer, I'm using the Coty Airspun translucent powder, and I am also putting that on with the makeup sponge. For mascara, I use Makeup Forever's Excessive Lash Mascara. Then I'm just brushing away all of the translucent powder away from the face. For bronzer, I'm using Physician Formula's Butter Bronzer, which is one of my all-time faves. Using the Moonchild Glow Kit from Anastasia Beverly Hills, I decided to go in with Pink Heart and use that for my pop-in highlight of the day. And then for lips, I'm using the NYX Cosmetics Strictly Vinyl Lip Gloss in Femme Fatale. And there you have the finished look. I'm really happy with how this turned out. You could pretty much wear this for an everyday fall look, or it could be a perfect witch makeup or vampirist makeup. Pretty much whatever you want. It, is pretty universal. So if you liked it, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already. And thank you so much for watching. I will see you tomorrow. Bye!